I'll reset it. I did, and then I do try it.
It's one of those codes that I use all the time, and I opened it up a couple of times.
We're here at Mandalay Bay, and Bruce Goda's had trouble with the safe. Just got here. Been drinking, he's all hammered.
Oh, let's get a guy. Let's get a picture with Dan.
Oh,
Yeah. Good. We got it good. Go ahead. I already took it. Go ahead.
Oh, did you? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Wow, that was real quick there. All right, how you guys doing?
Pretty good. We're going to strip steak at.
Oh, that's unbelievable.
Is it?
Yeah, that's good food.
What are you gonna go with, Craig?
Go with what?
For dinner, dumbass.
Well, I'm going to check with
Is it a
Michelle.
dead battery?
No. Sometimes what happens, it does lock up.
See, look at he's got the thing. I told you.
Yeah,
I
the
know,
little
she
remote.
did. She does it all the time.
Oh, you do? Oh, do you?
She comes out to Vegas, and that's what she does.
Oh,
I
you
do
mean,
not
oh, it locks
do
it
it.
up, you mean?
It's her fault.
Oh, bullshit. I had nothing to do with that.
She's cussing and swearing. It's her fault.
God.
That's not a big deal. Did you want to try it again? Just oh, thank you. Oh, right. Let me just have you try it again. So you know that it locks and
I'm trying
unlocks.
to be looking at my code, you guys.
Get your money out of there first.
Yes, he's got the camera, so.
I guess I did tell you what it was, didn't I?
Yeah. It's all right.
Sorry, I got all your money already. I already took it out.
You took it out?
He has no idea. He's confused.
Okay, it's open now. So
All
I
right,
guess
if that
I need to
happens
close-
again, we go 24 hours, so don't mind.
You do? You go 24 hours?
Oh, yeah, we have, yeah. So if you have any problems late at night,
Sing
just call.
AR04.
All right, put it, well, put the code back in again. Whenever it's open, you gotta put the code back in. And then hit lock. And now it should say close and you go.
Yep, we're good. Thank you very much. Appreciate
Have a
it.
good night. Bye-bye now, enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There you go. You got it, Brucey.
Bruce, how'd that work out for you?
All better.
Michelle, what do you think about that?
I knew it would be fine.
Are you sure? Was it user error?
Yeah, probably.
No, it wasn't used
I'm
for
guessing
We all know
yes.
that. We all know
Yeah.
that. So I've used it before.
Oh, so easily you go away from my boobies.
I'm right back
Easily
on him.
distracted, aren't you?
I'm right back on him, baby.
Hit the button.